Right here, we've got a gentleman right here that'd like to help us out. All right, Greg is it? All right, guys, this is Greg. He's my life coach, and he charges really cheap. And sir, what's your name? Alex, all right. We're going to turn the mics over to you. We're going to have you both up here on the stage where everybody can see it. And feel free to even take a couple steps out. We'd like everybody to get a good look at you guys. Yeah, right there. And then, but real quick before we give you the mic, we need a scene. Where, what's the situation with Joanna and Karen? Where are they at? What are they doing? They're at the zoo. Gee, that would be a tough one to do for this sketch. Well, I guess we'll do that. They're at the zoo, and we'll take it away.
Where do you think the rest of our class went? I don't know. Maybe if we rattle on this cage, we'll find them. I think that animal's waking up. Oh. He's big. I should go. Quickly. That's a really big bag. No, it's pretty cool though.